I've been searching for a tool to run my entire online business out of, and I finally found it. This tool is Whop. You can run your entire business, manage your team, and even collect payments all through one application. Whether it's payment processing, managing my team, launching my business, having multiple storefronts, you can do it all inside of Whop. Whether you run a paid community, a high ticket community, a low ticket community, or even an online business by itself, you can run it all inside of Whop. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to set everything up and even launch your store right now. So before we jump into going on my laptop and seeing how you can run your Whop, I want to show you guys how you can run it off of your phone first. So let's get into it. Now, going into your Whop, you'll see that you have the Whop feed right here. And this feed is aggregated to show you only what you're interested in. So as I scroll, you'll see all the apps, all the people chatting that I'm in. So I'm in Whop University, and I'm also in Daniel Dalen's Whop and a ton of other different Whops. And I'm only seeing what's relevant to me based off my interests. So I was in the members chat earlier. I was chatting around with members in there. So it's showing me this, and I can click straight into it. Now, this feed is pretty much just like a Twitter feed or a For You page if you've ever been on it. And it's all within Whop. So it just shows you Whops that are relevant to you, which personally I like because I hate switching around different communities and it taking so long. And it tracks your activity and it shows you different Whops that are relevant to you. So as I scroll, I don't even have to tap into these Whops. I can just see what they're about straight from the page that I can see here. And even if they have a video, I can see it being played automatically. Now, going into messages, this is my favorite part about Whop Mobile and Whop in general, because it's just like DMs or text messages. And you even can have emojis in different chats within your own Whop. So I have my chats over here for YouTube acquisition and the communities that I own, but you can have different chats. So if I go into Daniel Dalen's group, you can see all the people, and I can even go back to the responses and all of this. And I can say, respond to him and say, hey, cool video, bro. And then I send it in, and boom, I can see all of this right in here. And it's crazy how fluent Whop is already. It's just crazy fast. Then you have your personal direct messages right there. And you even have group chats, which is crazy. So I can go over here, create some group chats, which honestly is insane because I can pretty much, I don't need any other apps or things to manage my clients or talk to anybody else. I can just have it all in Whop. I don't have to download Slack or anything like that. And I'm going to show you guys how to create your Whop. Now, I already have some Whops, but we're going to create your Whop, and as you can see here, you can see your MRR, your finances, your payouts, your custom links. So if I wanted to send any custom links to people from my phone, I can create a payment link. I can do checkout or store page. I can copy it. So let's just dive right into creating a Whop. Now, mine looks a little bit different because I already have two, but we're going to hit one right up here, and we're going to build it. Now, I'm going to add it into YouTube acquisition, create another Whop in here, and we're going to be upgraded to 4.0. So let's name our Whop. This is going to be YouTube Accelerator. Boom, continue. Give it a headline. Start getting clients from YouTube. Continue. So we're building the YouTube Accelerator, and boom, this is the landing page from the mobile phone. And honestly, this is insane because I can add my creator bio. I can have my media right here if I wanted to upload any pictures. I can add a description right away, helping you make more money with YouTube. Save, boom, already in there. I can even add my creator bio right away. YouTube guy. Save. I can add who it's for, so it will get recommended to people who I'm saying it's for. So let's just say coaches looking to sign more clients, and boom. So I have that. And then we have our FAQ. So if anybody's asking frequently asked questions, I can answer them straight on the landing page, which I think is fantastic. And then you have other Whops that I've created. So you can see my other Whop right there, YouTube acquisition. I even have my affiliate link. So anybody can come into my Whop, copy my affiliate link, send it off to anybody and make money. So you don't even need to have a business or a Whop yourself to make money with Whop, which I think is insane. and they're absolutely changing the game. And just the aesthetics of the mobile app is insane as well. So talking about apps, let's add some apps to our Whop straight from our phone. So now my favorite thing is the chat, and then we can give our chat descriptions. We can name it a different thing. So I can say YouTube chat. So save. You can give access to different members and people to these different apps. So then let's add some more apps. We can even add our courses, our help desk, our website embeds, our affiliate links if we have affiliates to other softwares that we're partnered with, even our Discord community, which I think is cool. Different softwares as well, and a job board. So for a YouTube community, a job board is pretty important, hiring editors and other people like that. So we can have this all in here. People can post if they need jobs. Editors can come in here and post that they're available. And that's all inside of Whop from your phone. And then the best part is you can add plans from your phone as well. So I can make it free or paid, single payment or subscription. We can make it $100 a month straight from our phone. And then we can even add a free trial. So let's just say 7-day free trial. And then we can add an initial fee. So $10 to get in for the free trial. And then we can add a wait list or not. I'm just going to click done right there. Boom. $10 once, $100 a month, save, and then boom. So if anybody wants to join the YouTube Accelerator, just $10, get it for free for 7 days, and then they get charged $100 a month after that 7 days. So I think it's a win-win. You can even add benefits, which is insane. So I can say YouTube Masterclass, editor, job board, and then you can add more benefits as well. I'm pretty sure you can add up to 5 or 6. And then, of course, the FAQs. Is there weekly calls? Answer, yes. So you can have like answer 1, answer 2. But we just answer yes right there. And then you have your reviews by members inside of the Whop. So only people inside can give reviews when your Whop is up and going. And I think that's great because you don't necessarily have to go around and then send different links to different testimonial pages and say, hey, do it here, do it there. You don't have to combine different softwares in Whop. You just do it all in Whop, which I think is fantastic. You can add your logo straight from Whop as well. You can add your Whop visibility. You can list it on the market. You can even change your affiliate percentage, which I think is great. You can have a custom CTA. So instead of just join, you can do order now, donate now, purchase, get offer, subscribe, anything that you want. So it's super customizable, and you can do this all from your phone. But I want to customize it a little bit more. So let's jump in, and I'll show you guys how to create a Whop on the desktop right now. So when you first jump into Whop, you'll be at the discovery page where you can see all of these online businesses all on Whop, whether it's trading, social media, or even fitness. Every single thing is in here that you could think of. And the crazy thing is you can run your entire business from your phone. You have your messages, your notifications, and your dashboard, but I'm going to show you how to create one from scratch. So let's get into creating your Whop. Now, you want to start selling, and you want to choose what you would sell, whether it's software subscriptions, digital content services, community access, and you want to name your Whop. So let's name it Creator Partner. And then you can go on and choose a template or even create from scratch. Now, I want to start a social media business, so this is what I'm going to pick. And I'm going to start creating my Whop. When you get into your Whop, it should look something like this. You'll be able to edit your logos, your descriptions, and even the apps used inside of your Whop, which is what is so unique to Whop itself as the platform, where you can integrate apps for your members and other softwares into Whop. So for example, you can have your own website, you can have other softwares and give affiliate links out. You can have a Discord community. You can give prizes to your members through the bounties app. And they're adding more apps every single week, which will give your members, clients, and customers more incentives to always be in your community. For example, I created a Telegram specifically for creator partners in which they can immediately join and get access to, and nobody else can. What I mean by that is I can go up here to where it says manage app, and I can give certain access to certain people within my different products and tiers within my community. So I could say everyone, members, or no one, or admins, right? So you can see how you can have different chats, different apps, different courses, and even different website embeds tailored to that certain community. As we go down, you can see how insane it truly is. And I think the best part is the pricing, because you can sell low ticket, high ticket, payment plans, and you can even give direct benefits on the landing page itself. I just made a price where it's 500 once and then 500 a month. I can make it visible, I can make it private, and then it's really this easy. All you have to do is hit copy link and send it off to your clients. Great thing about Whop is you can actually see live reviews on Whop. So if I go here to just a random Whop I clicked on, there's 5 out of 5 reviews, and these are only from members inside of the Whop itself or community. And this just lets people know that it's legit, and no other platform is doing this. Something I'm really excited about is the job board. So you can have different jobs posted here for people in your community to get access to hire people, to even get paid, all in the community. And you can have an applied list to see what's pending, what's rejected, who's been contacted. You can have saved jobs. And this is all inside of Whop, guys. We have the messages. As you can see here, I'm in Daniel Dalen's community, messaging other people in here, and you can even see how many people read it. You can reply. There's different chats. You have your main chat, you have your personal chat, all of this stuff. And it's really, you can even create group chats. And it's insane because you can do this for your clients, for your community members, or even people on Whop like Daniel Dalen, where you can just go and message them. And then in your homepage, you'll only see things relevant to you and your communities. So as you can see here, my Whops are on the right, and you can see this feed happening throughout all of the communities that you're in. So I'm only in Daniel Dalen's community, so I can only see what's going on in his. But if you're in others, you can see it from everywhere. So you don't have to spend a ton of time scrolling through communities to see what you want. It all comes back here. So I'm going to take you inside of my own storefront to show you guys what you actually can get. Now I'm going to blur all of the payments, but you guys can track all of your payments inside of the dashboards, your users, your category rankings, your marketplace rankings, and even your to-do list all inside of the dashboard. You can even track the users, your payment links, the wait list, so you can actually have everybody's email in here, and then just click one click and you can go into a direct message with that person inside of your community. And within your finances, you have your payments, disputes, and payouts. And with Stripe, a lot of people are getting banned with their online businesses, me included. I got banned 2 weeks into Stripe, and this is why I came over to Whop. So now I can take all of my payments and not have to worry about that. And anybody who I've had within clients have also gotten banned on Stripe. So we brought them into Whop, and they got their payments on day 1. And in the disputes tab, you can have any disputes here, and then you can have your payouts that come from the Whop payments and also paying out your team members. In operations, you have your review page, you have the questions, you have the cancellation reasons, so you can see if somebody cancels, they're all right here. So those are basically your common objections. You have your resolution center for anybody filing complaints. And then you have your settings in which you can manage your team, your checkout pages, and even add your Google Analytics, your TikTok pixels, Hyros, and even your meta pixels to track everywhere into Whop. And there's even an internal CRM when you can see all of the users that have joined your communities. You can go into messages with them or even email them out of Whop. And in milestones, Whop gives you guys rewards for making money on the platform, whether it's a hoodie, a hat, a trip to NYC, a Rolex, a Lambo, or a private jet. And they have even growth hacks in which they help you grow on Whop. So Whop is there for your help. And also at the help desk, it says they typically reply within 1 minute. And usually with other software companies, they don't even reply to you within the first day. And if any of your community members have a question, Whop is there to handle all the support FAQs within the first minute. The other cool thing about Whop is you can actually have wait lists for your Whop storefronts. So if anybody is wanting to join the waitlist or even get on your newsletter, you can use Whop for that as well, because you can have everything in Whop and it acts as a CRM and it handles every single thing that you need within your online business. So if you're looking for a tool that can run your entire online business, Whop is that. Now that includes the full walkthrough of Whop, which is the only tool that can run your entire online business by itself. And to drive traffic to Whop, you need a traffic source, and YouTube is one of the best, highest quality traffic sources to get clients specifically. So if that's something you'd be interested in, there's links down in the description for that as well, and I'll see you guys in the next video.